I found this furniture at Dollar Tree. You get 2 chairs for $1.25, which is not too bad. And although these are purple, we could change that color. Here's the UPC code if you need it. My plan is to build a conference table type thing, so I'm starting with these chairs. I'm covering them with this aluminum tape because I want them to have that industrial steel or metal type chair look. And I got a lot of this tape, so why not? You could probably spray paint it, but since I don't have spray paint, I'm going to go this route. On the smooth edges, it covers just fine, and doesn't look too bad. On the bottom portion of the chairs, it was rather hard to cover. A lot of different angles and parts that were hard to cover. But as long as you're not looking at the bottom side of the chair, it's not too bad. It actually looks pretty cool. It has that shape of an industrial type of chair for like a conference room or something like that, which I think is pretty cool. Now for the table, I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's a hanging plant shelf, and I'm going to use it for a table. Here's the UPC code if you need it. I also have a Pringles can that I'm going to use for a base. So my Pringles can, I'm going to make it about 4.5 inches tall for the height of my table. I found the center point on the table, kind of measuring, and the Pringles can, the lid already has its center point marked with this little piece right here, which that works for me. I just line that up with my center point on the table and fasten it down. I'm going to use this super glue tape and probably some super glue to stick the lid down, and it should hold it. I found a round wooden disc to use as a bottom of the table. I'm going to cover it all with this aluminum tape, make it look all the same. The super glue tape and the super glue held it pretty tight. Now I could put the pedestal of the table on and take it off for easy storage. Made a really nice table. I covered the top of the table with more of the aluminum tape, and it turned out to be a nice sized table, even with my folding chairs. I did a video on, which is right here. Will also fit with it. The table is about 13 inches long, or 5.5 inches wide, which is plenty of room for a conference table or some table for my adventure team to use in the operations command center. Nice thing about the table that I could pull the base off is I could store stuff inside this base and store it all together in one box. I didn't bother covering the bottom of the table since you weren't going to really see it. The chairs are a little small, not too bad. I think they'll be okay. They fit some of the smaller action figures better. But you can't beat a chair for two chairs for $1.25. And with a little bit of aluminum tape, these make nice little industrial looking chairs. Also seem to fit the regular or the Harry Potter figures pretty well, which I think is pretty cool. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for checking the new table and chairs out that I just made. And let me know what you think about the Dollar Tree chairs, if you have any or considered getting any. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like button. It really helps my channel out. And subscribe if you're not already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.